you fellas out there have taught young men how to tie a tie? Teach them the way. Teach them how to be productive, sharp men as they grow into themselves. Age 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21 too. Because that's adult. Now they're an adult. Now they're facing the world. They gotta know they got to have a suit. If they're gonna go to a job, they're not gonna go in jeans and t-shirt. They gotta look sharp. What y'all teaching the youth? What are y'all teaching the youth? What y'all teaching the youth? That's what I want to know. What are y'all teaching the youth? What are y'all teaching the youth? Or are you too busy trying to be cool? Because likes and the dopamine and all that got y'all acting like some damn fools. Come on, somebody, let's win. What y'all teaching the youth? How much money you got? How much cars you got? Give them advice. Help them, those that may have dropped out. Give them a chance. Resuscitate their spirits and stop being a damn gimmick. Go for it. We're talking about suits. We're talking about ties. Dress shoes. Not just sneakers. Not just sneakers. Dress shoes. Tailoring, tailored suits, custom made. Dry cleaners, learning how to iron their own, yeah, all that. Let's go. Win.